All right, folks, listen, if you're earning income and you're putting your income directly into the bank, you are losing money every single day. Listen carefully. When you go and trade your time for money, you're generating income, meaning you cannot get your time back for the money that you just went and made. When you put that money directly into the bank, B of A, Wells Fargo, whatever bank, your credit union, you understand that they are jacking you. Every time you give the bank $1, they get $1.90 in deposits. And then when you leave the bank, they loan your money out to the guy behind you that wants to buy a car or a home. And they're going to charge 3 to 15% interest on that loan that they just used your money to loan out. Yes, it sounds like a scam because it is a scam. So every time you give the bank, the Fed has a deal with them where they get more money than what you actually give them. So you understand that banks only make money because we park our money there. And what do you get in return? You get a debit card and a checkbook and a bunch of overdraft fees. Let me tell you guys, the way wealthy people bank, they do not bank this way. They generate income and they take that income and they park it inside of a financial instrument that's going to generate cash. It's going to create interest. This is how we leverage a whole life policy. And when this said policy happens to be owned by the right type of trust that also happens to own your business, that means that your business cash flow becomes tax deferred. And now we can use that tax deferred money to fund a whole life policy, which means we're using the insurance company as a bank. We are warehousing and parking our money there. Why? Because we get cash value that we can borrow against. We earn uninterrupted compound growth on all of our money that we park there, and we get a death benefit. Why the fuck would you give your money to the bank when all you get is the same amount of money that you give them? They go leverage your money and they jack you because they don't pay you any of the interest that they earn on your money. And then you get overdraft fees when you go in the negative just a little bit, even though they made all that fucking money off you. That's what you get with the bank. If you want to truly learn how to leverage life insurance the way that the wealthy do, because most agents will never ever teach you this, reach out to me and my team, link in the bio, book an appointment, and we'll show you how.